Postmenopause is the time after you've been without a menstrual period for 12 consecutive months. During this stage, menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes get milder or go away. Hormones keep women's menstrual cycle regular. In addition to this, they also have additional protective roles in the body. Without these protective effects of these hormones, especially low level of estrogen, postmenopausal women are at increased risk of a number of health conditions. Number 1. Weight gain. Menopause has a definite effect on a woman's metabolism. According to research, menopause causes your body to gain fat and lose lean body tissue mass. The reason is because the loss of estrogen shifts fat from hips to the midsection. Extra weight, especially around the abdomen area, caused by slower metabolism can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, abnormal cholesterol levels, and stroke. Number 2. Urinary tract infection. After menopause, a decrease in estrogen levels can cause the vaginal tissue to become thinner and drier. This can make it easier for bacteria to flourish, which could eventually lead to urinary tract infection. Number 3. Vaginal atrophy. A condition in which the tissue lining inside the vagina becomes thin, dry, and inflamed. This is caused by a decrease in the amount of estrogen made by the body. People in postmenopause may continue to struggle with vaginal dryness for years after their last period. Decreased estrogen levels can also impact the urinary tract and bladder and make leaking urine a problem for some people. Number 4. Heart disease. A key reason is that estrogen helps keep blood vessels flexible, so they contract and expand to accommodate blood flow. Once estrogen diminishes, this benefit is lost, coupled with other changes such as rise in the blood pressure that can thicken artery walls. Women's heart suddenly becomes vulnerable. Number 5. Osteoporosis. Women are 4 times likely as men to develop osteoporosis, a disease in which bones become thin and weak and fracture more easily. Before menopause, women's bones are protected by estrogen. With decreased level of estrogen, women may lose up to 25% of bone density after menopause, making women susceptible to bone fractures, and the bones of the hip, wrist, and spine are more commonly affected. Number 6. Mental health issue. Many people in postmenopause experience moodiness, anxiety, and depression. This could be caused by stress, sexual tension, or other life changes that occur during this time. Some people feel sad that their productive years are over. Mood symptoms can also be caused by decreased hormone levels. These are the important steps to help build a healthier you around menopause. If you're smoking, then you should quit smoking. Smoking hurts your health, including damaging your bones and causing heart disease and many types of cancer. Be active. Try to get at least 30 minutes of physical activity on most days of the week. Physical activity can help your bones, heart, and mood. Brisk walking and irregular household chores are good for your health. Eat well. Getting vitamins, minerals, fibers, and other essential nutrients is just as important as when you were younger. But older women usually need fewer calories for energy. Foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains should make up the bulk of your diet. Avoid lots of salt, sugar, or fatty foods, and limit your consumption of alcohol.